Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing this cute Pusheen waffle. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. With this drawing, I'll be erasing some lines, so I'd recommend drawing in a pencil first. Okay, let's first start off by drawing a large sideways oval for the top. Now let's add a curve that's slightly longer on top. Now from the ends, let's bring it down and curve it in. And the same on the right. And now a large curve across the bottom to connect the two sides. And that's it for the shape of the waffle. Next, let's move up and add some details on top. Let's start by adding 4 diagonal lines across like this. And now let's add 3 going across in the opposite direction. Next in the middle, let's draw the piece of butter with a rounded diamond shape. Now let's erase the overlapping lines inside. When you're done, it should end up looking like this. Next, let's move down and draw the ears. Let's start on the left here, and let's draw a curve up and back down. And the same thing on the right, overlapping the butter. Next, let's erase the lines inside the ears and also the line below it. Now let's move down and draw the face. In between the ears, in the middle, let's draw a line down and then curve it back around and up. And the same thing on the right and on the left. Now let's hop down and draw the mouth. Let's draw a curve down to the left and down to the right. And then let's add circles on both sides for the eyes. And now let's color both of the eyes in black. Next, let's add the whiskers with 2 curves on the right here and 2 on the left. And that's it for the face. Next, let's move down and draw the feet. Underneath on the left, let's draw a curve down and up. Then another one in the middle, and then one more on the right side. Now let's hop on the right side and add the tail. Let's start by drawing a curve out and then curving it back in. And lastly, let's add 4 curved lines inside for the stripes. And that's it for this Pusheen waffle. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!